How to change the language in Google Photos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update the language settings for Google Photos on your device. First, open your Android settings. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, tap on Language. After that, tap on Add Language and select the language you want to switch to. In the next step, once the language is added, drag it to the top of the list to set it as your primary language. From there, tap on Apply to confirm the change. Once done, open Google Photos and check if the language has updated to your preferred one. Finally, go back to Google Photos and navigate through the app to confirm everything is now displaying in your chosen language. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the language in Google Photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.